Welcome everyone. Today I want to talk about this book here. Great Talks About Photorealism by Bogdan Sasu. If you're into architectural visualizations, you probably already know this book because it's a total game changer. But for those who do not know it yet, I want to review it and show you why this book makes a difference. Bogdan Sasu, the author, is a 3D artist by himself, but he was never satisfied with his results and he was bearing the burning desire inside to know the secrets of all the other persons in the scene. Which software do they use? How is their workflow? How do they get and stay motivated? What is their story? Do they have tips and tricks? So he started to ask all the ArchViz superstars and put the results into this book. GTAPR tells the story of 9 different artists all around the world with totally different backgrounds, workflows and fields of activity. The book starts with some words of Bogdan himself and the greeting words of Jeff Mottel, who's the CEO of cgarchitect.com, and Jason Bergeron, who's the founder of the D2 conference you might know. Before the stories of the 9 artists start, there is a whole chapter about how to use lighting correctly by Ciro Sanino. The 9 individual stories are ranging between Johannes, who doesn't even have a school graduation but later became the leading 3D artist for IKEA Sweden, over the classical architecture career, just like Lucia Frasquera, who was working with Archicad and then made her renderings with REALISM, recognized it's a lot of fun and started to concentrate only on visualizations. Up to people like Raphael Rau, who studied graphic design and focused on photorealistic 3D graphics during his time in design school. It's very interesting to read about the backgrounds and how they got to the point these artists are right now. Also, it's good to see that they all don't use the same render software as well, in case you always thought V-Ray or Corona is the nonplusultra to go with. But most interestingly, I was fascinated by the photo examples and their stories. The book is full of high quality images of the artists and tells the story of each image. Why did they do it? How much time did they have to? How much time did they spend for the image? Which software did they use? How did they compose the scene? It's like having a whole tutorial about this very one scene with even the psychological background of the people who created it. Overall, I totally recommend the book to every visualization artist and for those who are interested in becoming one. There's non-comparable book on the market right now, and in my eyes GTAPR is a milestone for ArchViz and photorealistic visualizations at all. Bogdan Sasu and his team are already working on Volume 2, so I'm very curious about that one. If you're interested in buying the book, you can check out the link down below, or you can even buy it in the Qreative home store. I hope you enjoyed the book review. Please let me know if you want to see more videos like this one, and if so, which books you want to be reviewed. Until then, have a great day and stay creative.